In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link in Microsoft 365. This process is straightforward and can be done using either OneDrive or SharePoint. Let's get started. First, open up OneDrive or SharePoint on your device. You can do this by navigating to the app or website, whichever you prefer. Once there, you'll see a list of your files and folders. This is where you'll begin the sharing process. Now, select the file or folder you want to share. Just click on it once to highlight it. This is important because choosing the right file or folder ensures you are sharing the correct content. Once you've got that selected, you're ready to move on. Next up, click on the Share button. You'll typically find this at the top of your screen or right next to the file name. Clicking Share will open a new window with several options. Here is where you decide who gets access to your file. You'll see different access options available. If you choose people in your organization, anyone in your company with the link can view or edit the file depending on the permissions you set. This option is great for internal collaboration. Alternatively, you can select specific people. This option lets you decide exactly who can access your file. It's a more controlled option, ideal for sensitive information. You can add individual email addresses to specify the recipients. If your organization allows it, there's also an option for anyone with the link. This setting permits anyone with the link to access the file. Be cautious with this option, as it provides the broadest access. It's useful for sharing with people outside your organization. After choosing the appropriate access level, click Copy Link. This action copies the link to your clipboard, ready to be shared. Now, it's important to ensure that you have selected the correct permissions before copying the link, as this will affect who can access your content. With that ready, head over to your email, chat, or Microsoft Teams, wherever you wish to share the link. Paste the link into your message. This is as simple as right-clicking and selecting Paste or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on a Mac. Finally, send your message. Once sent, your recipients will receive the link, and depending on the permissions you've set, they'll be able to view or edit the file. You might want to include a brief note in your message about what the link contains or any specific instructions. Remember, sharing in this manner is efficient and keeps everyone on the same page. It's a seamless way to collaborate and ensure everyone has access to the most up-to-date information. With these steps, you can confidently share files and collaborate using Microsoft 365. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher on how to share a link using OneDrive or SharePoint. Happy sharing!